See how to make homemade Hostess cupcakes from scratch using a super moist buttermilk chocolate cake, Italian meringue buttercream, chocolate ganache, and the classic frosting swirl of the Hostess brand. Join us and our fun foodie friends as we take you back to the 1960s. The links are below. Can you dig it? We're going to the 60s.
Whoa, man! Like, where did you come from, man?
Yeah, I'm from the future, 2021.
Huh.
I'm a baker, and I'm here to research snack cakes.
Whoa!
Wait, what? Is that a 1959 Gibson Les Paul Standard?
Yeah, man, I bought this for $200.
Oh my god, that guitar is worth $1 million in 2021. You live down here in the laundry room?
Yep, I live down here in the laundromat. I just got back from NAM, and I'm kind of between jobs.
I love it.
Cake lady, this is good cake.
What are you eating?
This is a super snack cake. Helps me get through my day down here in the laundromat where I live. You'll know it's good because the list of ingredients is about this long.
Let me have a bite of that. I can make this cake so much better. I just had a really groovy idea. Why don't you come with me to the year 2021?
That is so far out, dude, man.
All right, you ready to go to the future?
No.
Don't worry, just hold my hand.
Whoa. This is so far out, man. I'm gonna watch you make super cupcakes, but I got one question. Why does this pillow say subscribe on it? So, what are you gonna bake in here today?
Well, I'm going to make that snack cake that you were eating, but 10 times the grooviness.
Whoa, man!
So, here's the cupcakes. Aren't they great?
Whoa! Whoa, man, that's awesome!
You want to try one?
Yeah!
Okay.
Do these cupcakes have like 27 ingredients like the ones I had before?
Hell no.
Hmm.
Look at that. Mmm.
I'll be willing to try it. Okay, I'll try.
perfect munchy food. That's groovy, huh?
This is more than 100 times groovier. This is like 550 times groovier.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. Stay cool out there.
Hey, don't forget to check out our other really groovy friends
Where are they?
up there.
Upstairs?
Click on that link right there.
Oh, the subscript?
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
Forget that pillow she showed me.
See you later.
Whoa! Where did you come from, man? It's coming up.
So, what happened to your guitar?
Oh man, when you told me I could make like a huge profit, I went on this thing called eBay. Have you heard of eBay?
Yeah, I heard it.
And I bought it for $200 and I sold it on eBay for $300.
Wait a minute.
I made $100 profit.
But that guitar is worth thousands.
Uh-oh.